Fall is here, but that doesn't mean you need to say goodbye to all of those summer blooms. I'll show you 7 flower seeds you can collect now so you can enjoy a stunning garden next spring, and it's easier than you think. All you need is a few simple tools: your sharpest pruners, some paper bags or envelopes, a storage box, and just a little time in your garden. First, you'll need to wait until your flower seed heads are fully brown and dry, usually about a month after they've faded. Use your shears to snip off the seed heads and then separate the seeds from the petals. Fully mature seeds will come out easily. Spread the seeds onto a box, paper bag, or even a cookie sheet for a few days until completely dry. Finally, store the seeds in a cool, dry, and dark place until spring. Seed storage boxes or envelopes work great. I've shared some of my favorite seed saving tools in the description below. Now that you know how to harvest and store your seeds properly, let's go over the top 7 that are easy to collect and grow reliably. Let's start with a gardener's favorite, sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of the easiest seeds to save. Wait until the petals fall and the back of the flower head turns yellow or brown. If it's not completely dry, just cut it off and hang it up somewhere. Rub the seeds out by hand and store until next year. Zinnias are another annual that readily produces seeds you can save. Just make sure they're open pollinated varieties, not hybrids. Even if different varieties do cross, you might end up with something unique and interesting to enjoy next year. Let the seed heads dry to a dark brown, then gently rub or tap them to release the seeds. Calendula produces large, curly seeds that are easy to identify. Wait until the seed heads are brown and dry, rub them between your fingers, and you've got a batch ready for next year. They're great for indoor seed starting or direct sowing in the spring. Nasturtium seeds form inside pods that turn brown and dry when they're ready. Snap them off, let them dry a bit more if needed, and store them for spring planting. Nasturtiums are fun to grow, not only for their blooms, but also for their edible flowers and leaves. Cosmos seeds are long, narrow, and slightly curved. Simply crack the dried seed head or rub it between your fingers to collect the seeds. They're easy to grow directly in your garden after the first frost or start indoors a few weeks early. Snapdragon seed pods are unique and easy to identify. They look like tiny skulls. Once brown and dry, roll or shake the pods to release the small black seeds. These are perfect to start indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Last on my list are coneflowers. They are perennials, so it may take a couple of years for them to bloom from the saved seeds. Collect the dried heads in a paper bag, shake to loosen the seeds, and scrape the rest off. You can even sow them in fall, 10 to 12 weeks before the first frost. Collecting and saving flower seeds has become one of my favorite fall gardening tasks. Not only does it save money, but it also ensures a garden full of beautiful blooms year after year. A little effort today means big rewards tomorrow. Share in the comments what seeds you've had success harvesting. We'd love to hear. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.